Hello, this is Edward. I'm along the Provo River. I decided to come up here today since we got a major snowstorm blowing through, and I was going to shoot some slow motion snow falling over the Provo River. So let me show you my setup. You're looking at the back of my 4Runner, and I'm shooting with a Panasonic G9, and the reason why I love that camera, even though it's micro four thirds, it can shoot at 180 frames a second. Okay, so pretty good slow motion. It's not 250, but it's still not bad. And of course I have it set up right there, and then I have this umbrella for me to get under, which I'm going to get under right now, to sit here and shoot. Now, one thing about this, a lot of cameras that shoot that have that ultra slow motion, they don't record audio. Okay, so the audio that I'm going to put on, well, the only thing that's going to be on this video is of course going to be probably some kind of soothing piano music to go along with what I'm shooting. But I really enjoy doing this. I like doing this, and of course the Provo River is one of my most favorite places to go. I love the Provo River. I've always, since I was a boy, loved the Provo River, and so I'm up here shooting this, you know, and that's great as a photographer. If we can shoot the places that we know and that we love and we have a connection to, it even makes it more special for us, and I'm sharing this with you. So let's see what we come away with, and I'm going to share this with you after I get done, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And you know, when I was thinking about this, what could I say to photographers to try to encourage them to get out in this kind of weather? You know, it's worth it. You know, even though it's snowing and it's cold, a little bit miserable, it's not as cold as it was when I was in Alaska. But to get out and experience this, so it goes to show you don't have to stay inside when it gets like this. You can get out and you can find beauty just about any time of the day and night. This summer I'll be sharing some night landscape images with you that I plan on taking now that I'm living back down here in Utah, and it's an excellent place to go and take pictures of the night sky. I love taking pictures of the Milky Way. So anyway, here is the back of my camera, and that's what we're taking pictures of, or a video of right now. And so when I get done with this, I'm going to, of course, go ahead and post this and share it with you. And I hope you give it a like and you appreciate it, and you come back and tell your friends about it, and you come back and watch the content that I have to offer. And you know, I just love nature in all its beauty, and I thank the good Lord for all that He has done for us and created for us. And I really appreciate this. And it's my way of giving back and sharing this beauty with you. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.